Good morning, everybody. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a kind of vlogging stuff. I didn't do it for a long time, so what I'm gonna do, I have this parcel here. I sell it yesterday on Amazon. Now I'm going to deliver. So look at this stuff that I buy in the summer. I have still this fire cooking pit. The cell slows down a lot. Yeah, things are not uh, going very well now. Cell slow down, but it's still okay. I'm confident I can sell it by till the next year halftime. It's not rush. I'm not in a rush to sell it because if you rush to sell it, you have to sell it cheap. So yeah, halftime. Starting with my favorite song, The Day is Promising. Okay, I just drop off the parcel here at COP. This is kind of far from my house, but if you use Hermes, if you ship, I don't know, if you ship stuff, you use Hermes, it's better to use this kind of COP here, these shops, because they can't refuse you, they have to take it. But I find this there are other smaller shop, they waste your time all the time. Basically, first of all, they're small, so they, to be fair, they don't have too much space, but most of the time they won't take your parcel. They find excuses. The machine, the Hermes, like the scanner is not working, we don't have space, the courier is not coming today, all this bullshit. So what I find best is come to COP, drop it, they will take it. They're not gonna make any excuses, they will take it, and that's it. So yeah, okay, this is one thing. Hopefully I can find something better to do today. I think I'll go to Costco to see if I can find any product to sell, and yeah, let's go on. Okay, I mean, let's see. There is plenty of stuff here. I noticed they already get Christmas stuff. So we still are in October and Christmas stuff is here. So they're planning to, I don't know, sell a lot of Christmas items this year because it's way too early to get this stuff. So look at this stuff. This is all Christmas. This is all Christmas. This product is very nice, and I already listed. This is this like Christmas village with this. It's pretty nice. I like it. I already listed, but the things are we are too early, so I only list to see how much traffic the list gets, and so I can have an idea if there is interest for buyers. Now it's way too early, so I don't know if any people are really interested because it's way too early. But even here, I've been last weekend, is the same amount of items, so they sell the Costco, they sell don't sell in, so now it's low demand. Actually, this product I sell it last year, this exact one I sell few of them. Hey, I find this product, actually I knew this product, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. So the price is now like on sale, 28.78. And if okay, if I pull up the Amazon app, do you see I already scanned it? So I scan here the barcode and it appeared me this. Basically what is happening here, it's selling on two listed, so it's one here and one above. This one on the top is the original listed. As you can see, have 1400 reviews. And if we go here to see the competition, as always, we can see there is plenty of guys selling this product, but nobody is selling it prime. So the closest guy that's selling it prime, it's 58 pounds. And if we try to check the profit, how much you can see, I think if we sell it prime, we can sell it for 49.99. Amazon will prioritize our listing over someone that is not prime. And FBA fees, it's kind of expensive, these fees. So it's 7 pounds referral and 5 pounds the shipping fee. So yeah, whatever, I think will cost me 50 cents to ship this item to Amazon warehouse, the purchase cost and the profit, so 7.55 per unit. So it's not very bad. 7.55 per unit, 10 units, I'll be like 75 pounds. Not very bad in the 5 minutes work. Yeah, and 2 pounds of diesel. But the thing is, there are too many. So I don't know, as you can see, this is a big stack. It's probably around 100 units here. And what this tell me, Costco, it's anticipate a very big demand for this product, and I think that too. It's a very big demand. If we check the ranking, which I forgot to tell you guys, and it's the rank self, the sales rank, it's 5,000. So basically 5,000, it means this is selling roughly right now in this moment around 20 units per day at least, around something like that. So basically the lower the sales rank, the more units it's selling. So it's already big demand for this product. What I'm gonna do, because this deal is for for 10 units, I'll buy 10. And because I don't know after that how much they will charge after this deal, after this 10 units deal. So now I'll buy only 10 and let's see what's happening. Okay guys, that's it. I did some grocery while I've been on Costco. If you didn't notice, I have a new car. A quick break stop and let's keep moving. Okay, now that I download all this stuff, I'll prepare it like probably for Monday to be shipped to the Amazon warehouses. And now what I'm going to do is like 4 p.m. now, so I will take my bag and I will hit the gym for about 1 hour or so. Before going to the gym, I like to take this pre-workout No Explode. It's very good, gives you a lot of energy in the gym, and yeah, makes you more like angry and wants you to do harder workouts. Okay guys, it's just 7 p.m. now. I just finished working out. Yeah, I think it's pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoy it, and if you did so, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, do all of this good stuff. Also, if you want to follow me on social media, my link in the description. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.